Imagine you're exporting a container of pharmaceutical products from Hyderabad to Germany. Here's a simple question. How many ports do you think your cargo will pass through? Most people would say 1, but the answer could actually be 4. A dry port, a gateway port, a feeder port, and a trans-shipment hub. Let's follow the single container to understand the role of each. Instead of going directly to the seaport, the container first reaches an inland container depot, also known as a dry port. Although it's located far from the sea, customs clearance, documentation, inspection, and container sealing are completed here, making it an extension of the seaport that brings export services closer to industries while reducing congestion at coastal ports. Once cleared, the container is transported by rail or road to Visakhapatnam port, which acts as a gateway port, the country's main entry and exit point, connecting inland transportation with international shipping routes. Here, the container is stored, planned for vessel loading, and finally loaded onto an ocean-going ship. In some cases, however, the gateway port may not be served by the world's largest container vessels. Instead, a smaller feeder vessel carries the container from a feeder port to a much larger international port. Think of it like taking a local train before boarding an express train. The container may then arrive at a major trans-shipment hub, such as Singapore, where it isn't imported or exported, but simply transferred from one ship to another, much like changing flights at Dubai while traveling to Europe. Finally, the container reaches a gateway port in Germany before being delivered to the customer. So, the complete journey looks like this: factory to dry port, to gateway port, to feeder port if required, to trans-shipment hub to gateway port at the destination to customer. The key lesson is that every type of port performs a unique function within the global logistics network, and understanding these roles helps logistics professionals choose efficient routes, reduce costs, minimize delays, and make better supply chain decisions. Now here's a question for you. At which stage of this journey do you think delays are most likely to occur? The dry port, the gateway port, or the trans-shipment hub? Share your answer in the comments. If you'd like to learn logistics through practical case studies like this, explore Pertechnica's logistics training program.